Hey, welcome to NG Space. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing just great. So today is a hot Saturday in Manchester. Let me just show you how the weather is through the window. Very, very sunny today. Watch. That's my front garden, and this, I'm in the kitchen, and the kitchen is facing the road. Can you see how sunny it is? Very sunny, and the grass is looking and what I'm going to be doing today is showing you what I do on Saturday. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with making okra soup, okra and stew. This okra, I'll be making it for my mukbang channel. So yes, so that's it. Anyways, let's get started by cutting our okra. So once I'm done with the peppers, I'm going to go ahead and lay my okra in this. This is part of the drink I made on a Saturday, but I'm going to be uploading it separately. So watch out for this video, pineapple and bell pepper drink. Once I'm done with the drink, which I'll be uploading separately, first of all, I'm going to parboil the meat, and it's time to boil it and make our okra soup and stew. Pepper. You know, sometimes when you're cooking, you need to snack. Yeah, roasted and salted peanuts from Tesco's. Okay. This bread, whole grain brine bread. They say it's made in Germany, and I tried it. It's very, very salty, and I was looking for an alternative, but this wasn't it at all. So that's going to be thrown away. It's while I'm waiting for my meat to cook before I start making my stew and okra soup. It's not been easy. If you notice, I've not been uploading video for a while now. This is because I got a new job, and the job is like taking my time. I mean, working from 9 in the morning to 5 I close, but by the time I get home it's already 6 o'clock, and I'll be very, very tired. So I kind of appreciate my former job. When I mean appreciate in terms of the time I have, not the pay at all. So the time I have, that I have to work 2 days in the office and 3 days at home. Those 3 days that I work at home, I have time after work straight to I come downstairs and do what I'm supposed to do. And sometimes when I'm on break as well, I get my things sorted out first. So once after work, I can just, you know, carry on doing my video. Time to go back to my cooking. This is a quick stew. By the fire I still have. Let me just reduce it a little bit. That's why I just flush it up and down. I don't want it to burn under. My meat is still cooking. So what I can do, I think I have some fresh tin tomatoes. I can just pour down, just add it in there. Some tin tomatoes. I don't want it to waste. I don't use it now, I end up throwing it away. Just gonna cover that down. Almost ready. Please ignore that sound. It's the ice cream guy passing. So that noise is to get the kids out to come and buy this ice cream. How many of you remember how we used to leave this ice cream? They will bring the van. In that days when I was a kid, they'll bring the van and it will be making like pam 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 pam, and everybody will go out and go and buy ice cream. So yeah. Right, so I'm going to allow this thing the tomatoes to cook a little bit while I just try this place up straight away. Then I'm almost done now. The whole of today is gone. I've not rested, and I like resting on a Saturday. It's crazy. stew is ready. I'm just gonna pour in my meat, already cooked, and allow that to boil. I'll taste the salt and this thing later, because I use salt and Maggi to boil the meat. Let me go ahead and put that away. Stew is ready. Stew is ready. That is my stew for my okra soup. You can also use it to eat rice as well. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm planning making jollof rice tomorrow, but if I don't, then we can use the stew to eat rice. White rice, of course. It's time to make my okra soup. So I'm going to be using the okra. It looks like it's dry though, because I left it open. So it's just small okra. I'm going to be making that now. The stew is ready. Now it's time to make my okra soup. Just very small okra that I want to make. It's not going to take long. I'll just add my fish straight away. This is catfish, smoked catfish. I'll add Maggi, no cube, 1 no cube. Just a little bit of pepper, dry pepper. So mix that up. Just add a little bit of water so it doesn't burn in the ground. I love adding onions. Yes, where's my onions? Is it onions or onion they call it? Yes, I need to get onion from the fridge. Whoop. Yes. So I already added the onions. I like them when it's chunky. So you see. I'll add a little bit of crayfish to it and allow it to cook. Little bit of salt, not much, just like tiny bit, because there's crayfish. Come close. I'll add locust beans. So my okra is ready. Wow, it's been a busy Saturday for me to this point. Thank you. Please remember to like this video, share, and leave me a beautiful comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.